Greetings, Earthlings, and welcome back. My name is Kasey if you are new here. Today I am going to be trying on some new things I picked up from JUSTFAB. I've been shopping at JUSTFAB for years now. They have lots of modern, bold, timeless pieces without an expensive price tag. So if you click on the link in my description box, you are going to get 50% off your whole order. That's seriously an incredible deal. When you're there, take the 60-second style quiz for personalized outfit recommendations, and when you sign up for their VIP perks, you'll get exclusive styles and discounts. So keep in mind, VIPs already get 40% off. Now you'll get an additional 50% off. First thing I want to show you are these desert reverie booties in black onyx. I picked up a size 8.5. They are very true to size, super comfortable. I love a good black booty because you can style them with jeans or a dress. But right now I'm going to style them with black jeans and a black tank top. This tank top is super soft and comfortable, nice and stretchy. It's long, I have it tucked in, and the jeans really comfortable. They fit so nice. They're more of a jegging style, and I was in need of a new just basic black pair of pants, and I really like these. And a lot of my outfits will start out this way, like all black, and then I will add my layers or my extras and accessories, which brings me into the next piece that I picked up. This is the Stitch Detail Cardigan in Pebble, and I picked up a size medium, extremely comfy, and this is one of those pieces, again, you can style so many different ways. Lately, I have been obsessed with black and tan, so I really like this outfit. And the great thing about starting with an all black basics outfit is you can literally add any color cardigan your little heart desires. And it's comfy, it's stylish, it's easy. And we're gonna go into the next piece, which is this leather jacket, faux leather jacket. And I still have on the black tank, black pants, black booties, and you can see by just changing out the jacket, you get a completely different outfit. I always feel like a ninja when I wear all black with a red lipstick, especially with my short hair. I don't know, I just feel like such a badass. And again, this is one of those pieces that you can style so many different ways. But my favorite way to style a black leather jacket is like the all black look. And you can do this with black heels, different kind of black shoes. The possibilities are endless. I also picked up this The Time Is Now t-shirt in a size medium. It is super soft. It's a little long for my liking, so to flatter my shape a bit more, I like to tie my longer tees up at the waist. Sticking with the Wednesday Addams vibes, can't go wrong again with all black. It kind of makes the outfit a bit more interesting with the words on the shirt. I think a black cardigan would look really cute with this. Even a white denim jacket or like a blue denim jacket or the black leather jacket would be a nice look. Moving on to the next outfit, I picked up this white v-neck tee. I don't like the shoulders both on, so yeah, that's good. I like this. And again, it's a little bit too long for my liking, so I went and tied it up at the waist again to give it more of a put together look. And this is actually my new favorite white tee because I can style this so many different ways. And I am wearing a size small. I normally wear a medium in t-shirts. For whatever reason, I ordered a small and it's a little oversized, but I like it. Again, black leather jacket would look really cute with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those black booties off. We'll change things up a bit. I got these nude classic pumps in a size 8.5, and I also picked up this crossbody bag. It's super lightweight. It is a faux suede, and it's just really cute. I love a good small bag for when I just want, you know, my debit cards, powder, ID. It's a perfect size, and it's in black. And with an outfit like this, you can really play around with the heels. You can do any color you want. Again, I like black and tan, so I went with the nude heel. I did another shoe change. So I picked up these Mildred heeled boots in a size 8.5. I wore these when we went to Canada, so I did a lot of walking in them, and they were surprisingly really comfy. And I went ahead and threw on that stitched cardigan. You can also, again, leather jacket, style it that way. But my absolute favorite way to style boots like this is with a nice sweater. So this is the wrap front pullover in marigold. I picked up a medium and it fits so nice. I don't have anything like this, especially the color, so I'm really happy with this top. And again, the leather jacket would look really cute with this. So those are all of the goodies I picked up from JUSTFAB. Again, you guys make sure you take advantage of that 50% off. The link will be down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and you guys leave a comment down below. Let me know which outfit is your favorite. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. It shows me you care. And until next time, peace.